Getting crazy down there. Oh, that was crazy.
Wasn't it?
What'd she spray you with?
Pepper spray.
Pepper spray? Well, I got the whole... Oh, well, I got the whole thing on video.
You guys are crazy. What's wrong with you? She was here first.
Yeah.
Look, she's swearing and everything. Look. What are you guys doing? This lady was here first, and you're swearing in front of kids and everything? Show some class, ladies. Show some class. That's very nice.
Don't you have a child in the car?
Yeah, and I'm showing them what people like you are doing. It's wrong. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So you guys could easily back up now.
Spoke with you. Someone came up to speak with you.
Someone even told you. Don't worry, we're gonna post this on YouTube so everybody could see. Wow. Wow, that's unbelievable. No respect at all.
Yeah. They don't.
I'm going to videotape it. Wow, look at this lack of respect.
You come near me.
I'm not coming near you. I'm not coming near you.
Then get your fucking camera out of my face.
Uh-huh, yeah?
Yeah. Go back to your fucking
You have
country and
lots
film
of
somebody.
respect. Oh, go back to my country?
Yeah,
Go back to my country?
Holy jeez.
Go back to my country. Go back to my country? I am in my country.
I never said anything to you.
Go back. Oh, and you have a kid in the back. Oh my God.
I have a car to
Jesus. Unbelievable.
Wreck the whole thing. Well, that's not how you're supposed to do it. I got that. I gotta make a U-turn. What the fuck? Get the fuck out of my way. The fuck are you doing? Your dumbass is the one that got the truck up on the thing. Get the fuck out of my way.
Fuck you. You want to get underneath that truck? Go.
You want me to drive the motherfucker? I'm an iron worker. I'll get it out of there.
Piece of shit. What are
You
talking
need a
about?
crane now, motherfucker.
Oh.
The
Yeah.
red car turned in front of the white, but the white hit the red, and then now the white's trying to leave.
That's good. I'm so
Oh my God, they're gonna run him over, dude. Oh.
Look at the security guard.
He's from across the street.
Oh my God.
Call the police, guys.
They're already calling. The guy's on the phone. You can see him.
Oh, yeah.
They can just get his plates.
Yeah, exactly. That's true.
That's crazy.
I guys recorded that kid right there.
Yeah. Record it.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, everyone's calling.
Shit.
What the hell?
Knock him out, dude. Oh.
Why are they hitting him?
He's trying to hit them to get them out of the way.
Oh.
What the hell? What are they doing?
That's assault.
That guy on the motorcycle's a jackass. What is he doing?
Don't let it go.
I let him go because you don't want to get. See, holy shit!
Bouncing. Bouncing.
Oh yeah.
They just fought. They were fighting motorcycle guys.
No
Fighting each
way.
other, running each other over.
Like, what? With a motorcycle?
They just ran the car just ran the motorcycle over. But the whole thing was there was a red car there. That's part
Oh my God.
The car was right here in the right-hand turn lane. The red turn in front.
They beat her up?
No way, dude. That just happened right
The
now.
road took off.
Whoa! Look, person. What the hell?
Christ. You fucking crazy person. Oh shit. back in your car. Get in your fucking car. Get back in your fucking car. No! I'm not a fucking asshole like you are. Get in your fucking car. Fucking idiot. What a...
Hey.
You stupid bitch!
Hey.
You stupid bitch!
Hey!
Dude, you're fucking... You're driving the fucking bike. I was driving my bike.
You were driving the fucking bike lane!
You were driving in a protected bike lane.
You
If she hit your car, it was your fault. Get back in your car.
shit of mine. You stupid bitch.
Don't park in the bike lane next time!
Take her bitch out.
Don't do
But she has no right to get in this car. But this is a turning lane.
Just go!
What though? Where is that?
It happened in the green.
She just sprayed my fucking car. Now see, you out of box for that. You stupid bitch. Yeah, that was inappropriate. You should have did that, sir.
Hey. I have that all on camera if you'd like to record it.
I'm calling the cops. Calling the cops, asshole. Calling the cops.
Excellent.
Good.
So am I.
Good. Call the fucking cops, you stupid fucking cunt.
Fucking calling the cops on your fucking lying piece of shit ass.
Bullshit. I saw you run the fucking stop sign, you fucking loser.
I didn't fucking stop. You didn't
Just
fucking
tried to
signal.
fucking
I was
cause an
stopped for an
accident,
hour, you
stupid
dumb
fucking
piece of
cunt.
shit. You're a fucking idiot. You're fucking probably
You're
fucking
fucking
high on
ugly.
coke. You're a fucking moron. Real tough. Now you want to call the cops. You was real tough on the highway. You was real tough on the highway. You was real tough on the highway. Fucking fuck. I don't give a fuck. You was real tough. Take the license plate. Fucking fuck. You don't want to fight? You don't want to fight? Then what you playing like you do for? You want to fight? You're not fucking tough. What you cut me off for? What you cut me off for? What you cut me off for? I didn't give a fuck. Jump out! Jump out behind me! Jump out!
amateksi amanye aphi? Awu cha yathithiza yazi. Lawa amanye amatekisi wayenga no. Hayi abanye abantu bengalamuzi. Nabo nje ichomi zakhe.
Easy, guys.